My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new browser extension that is called Taildoing. Actually, this particular extension operates as a browser hijacker. It changes the default search engine, and it also gives some sponsored links and advertisements on top of the search results. If this extension called Taildoing was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome browser, you will notice such changes. So when you start submitting certain search queries, you will get the results in many cases by some other search engines. It is certain that when you submit some search queries, you get this tailsearch.com in between. So this is a browser hijacker called Tailsearch, and it is promoted through such extensions. Therefore, if it was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, you should remove it by accessing the menu, More Tools, Extensions. When you find this Taildoing extension, disable and remove it. This should be sufficient enough to get your Chrome browser fixed. I would also recommend that you thoroughly research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may obtain on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.